know if it's out in the street, it's over with. Wall to wall. Dynomat, as you can see. There. Right. What do we have here? Robert Money stereo installations. We got wall to wall-ism going. From there, we got AMG on the words and everything. Everything is in plain sight, but it's not in sight. So, I don't own the rights to this music. Let me just roll with this one right here. That part. Hey man, all I got to say is it's bright out here in these streets tonight, but it's dim in the back seat. Damn it, man. But the front, hey, I can see all that in living color. Hey y'all, it's Rob from Money Stereo, that's MSI. Man, my man Stan, you know, we got the logwood movement going on, you know, he got that music going. You know, and then, you know, he got on the wheel, stock wheelie look, you know, but he said today is the day, you know. So Trans Am TA. Let me see. Damn, Logwood, this is how you feel?
Man, that's how I feel, man.
Man, what's the name of your movement, man?
The Me Too movement.
What you saying, Me Too? Me Too, cause Me Too look good. Me Too got gold.
Me Too. I can do some shit.
What are we doing? It's Me Too? Okay, yeah.
I was down and out. I bounced right back.
Bounce right back.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Well,
you can't keep me down.
Okay.
I keep pushing.
Oh yeah, keep pushing.
See,
hey,
I come over here to Money's car installations, man. I do it all. Tires, rims, music, top,
rotations, music installations, CD changer installations, all that shit.
Everything. We doing everything. See you in the summer.